Okay, so in this video I will go through a very cool feature in CrossInk firmware for XTEINK X4 and XTEINK X3. And that is the feature that you can highlight and store notes called My Clippings. They work about the same as on a Kindle, you know, My Clippings text file. That is very, very nifty and very useful. So nowadays you can now do highlights. So here we have an X4. Of course it works on an X3 too, but I will do this guide, this tutorial on my X4. Here we have a book. So if I want to read this book, I just open it. If I now want to highlight this line, I can click on this button because that is the reader menu. So now here you see a lot of different settings and options that you can do. But if we click on next, we go to the bookmark menu. Here we can do bookmarks and we can create clippings. By the way, I have some questions about how to use bookmarks, so I will just do a bookmark first to show how to do that. You go to add bookmark and then select. Now we have added a bookmark too. But now we go back to that menu and now we go to next. Now we can view bookmarks here. As you see there, here is one bookmark I did. And now we go back again, and now we go into the bookmark menu. Now we should create a clipping too, to show how to do that. Then go near to this, create clipping, and then click select. Now you can, with the buttons, go down to the first word that you want to do a highlight of, like so. Now click select, and now you can go down and write there and click done. Clipping saved. Now you see you have done a highlight in this book. Works awesome. So now you can do, to see all your highlights, you can do different ways. But if you now go into the reader menu again and we go to the bookmark menu, we can now view clippings. If you now choose view clippings, you see the clippings from this book as you have marked. You can open that clipping and you go to see the whole clipping you made. Another really great thing to watch your clippings is to go back to your home page like this and then go to menu. Here we have bookmark and clippings. Select that. Here we see different books I have done clippings and bookmarks in. So if we now open that book we did a clipping in, you can open that, and here you can choose bookmarks or clippings. So we choose clippings, and here we see that clipping. We can open that from there too. Really great. This is so awesome to have this feature, really awesome. I love that. So now we can go back here, and we can also, a third way to see your clippings is to browse and go down here to the text file, My Clippings. And this text file you can send to your computer or your phone too. That's nice. So now we can open that clipping, the text file. Now we will see all the clippings we have done from all the books in the same file. So here we have the latest clipping I did, as you see. Works great. And it has that as a book, the last open book, the one file you open, but you can go back to your book by browse and open the book you are reading again. like so. So that is how easy it is to do clippings. I just want to have one feature still added from the developer of CrossInk, and then I will be happy, and that is syncing of bookmarks and clippings. If she can add that to CrossInk, that would be perfect. So at the moment you can do file transfer here to sync nearby stats sync, as you see here. Reading stats between X3 and X4. I would love to have syncing of my clippings file too. That would be awesome. Okay, I think that's it for this guide, this tutorial, and of course it works the same on the X3. Okay, bye.